Hello children, today I will teach you a very interesting poem, Out in the Garden. Out in the Garden is a very interesting poem about children playing in the garden. The poem is like this. Out in the garden, out in the garden, each fine day, with my ball I like to play. Second stanza, I bounce my ball, I throw my ball, I catch my ball on each fine day. And third stanza, out in the garden, each fine day, with my kite, I like to play. Next stanza, I tug my kite, I pull my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. Next stanza, out in the garden, each fine day, with my friends, I like to play. Next, we run and escape, we jump and drop, we slide and swing on each fine day. It is a very interesting poem about some toys children used to play in the garden. You must chant this poem in a very good way. And now today I will help you how to solve some objective type questions. Supposing first question, tick the correct option. Here are three options and one option is right. You have to tick the right option. First question, what does the speaker like to play with? Tick the correct option. Correct option. First, what does the speaker like to play with? In the poem, children like to play with ball. The answer is A. So take ball. Second, what does the speaker tug at when she is in the garden? A kite. Next, correct answer is kite. Third, what does the speaker like to do with her friends in the garden? Play. Correct answer is play. And now there are some question answer in B and C. And next, in A, you have to circle the rhyming words. Just given here, away, play, day. They are rhyming words as well as you have to do it. And the next, here is matching, page number 14. Page number 14. A. First, second, third, and fourth. Here, grandmother. Here are some pictures in the first column and second column. There are some names. You have to match the correct picture with their correct names. Like first, picture of grandmother. Then you match 1 to C. 1 to C. As well as 2. Picture of tree. So you match 2 number to D. Tree. Third number, bird. Picture of bird. So third is match to A. As well as 4 number, picture of chair. So 4 number match to B number, chair. As well as there are some short E sound words and next column long E sound words. Short E sound words means it takes less time to pronounce it, like red, R-E-D, red, S-E-T, set, M-E-T, met. And long E sound words, R-E-A-D, read, S-E-A-T, seed, M-E-E-T, meet. Here it takes long sounds. So they are long E sound words. And here it takes very less time. So short E sound words. As well as you have to choose some short E sound words and some long E sound words from the given box. And B number. See the B number. Here are some pictures. You have to write the name of the game. First picture is hide and seek game. First picture is hide and seek. Hide and seek. Second picture, hockey. Hockey game. Third picture related to cricket. As well as fourth picture, hopscotch. Hopscotch. And page number 16 as well as page number 16. Here are some words given in the box. You have to choose the right words and complete the given passage like that. I had a box of carry-ons. In first, fill in the blanks, fill up carry-ons. Carry-ons. Second, fill up the blanks, 2. Next, fill in the blanks, complete with friends. And next, complete with share. And you must learn at your home. Thank you, sir.